As we all know, UGC creators make a lot of money. I have come up with an idea to create the same UGC videos using an AI tool that is completely free. Here's a preview of the UGC videos created using the AI tool.
All new iPhone users do these 3 mistakes. Number 1 is deleting photos manually. Use cleanup.
Say goodbye to itchy scalp. It's time to leave behind those heavy, dulling products and embrace a...
Are you struggling to fall asleep or stay asleep? This Sleepy Chews will be perfect for you.
The crazy part about what you just saw is that the model in the video was not even real. She was made entirely using an AI tool. In this video, I will show you how I did this. In addition, I will discuss 3 different methods, which can be used to earn money from creating these UGC videos. So watch the full video without skipping any steps. Welcome to AI Upskill. Let's begin with the video. So the first step is to find a product for creating a UGC video. In this case, I'll be creating UGC for this hair identifier spray. You guys must be thinking, why did I choose this product? It's because of the commission rates. Stay tuned, because later in this video, I'll reveal a strategy for choosing products based on commission rates. Okay, so once you have your product, you want to go on TikTok and search for your selected product. So I'm going to look for the hair identifier spray. As you can see, the videos have received millions of views, proving that the product is perfect for our video. You can even download some of the videos, which will then be used by an AI tool to create UGC videos. So simply copy the URL of your product. Now we'll be using an AI tool called VIRAL. So head over to this tool from the description of this video, click Get Started and sign in with your Google account. You will be redirected to this dashboard after logging in. Navigate to the URL to Video Ads section. It is not necessary to generate UGC videos just from Amazon products. VIRAL allows product links from Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, and other platforms. Simply paste your product link into the following box. The VIRAL tool will automatically extract information such as the product name, description, and media from a given link. You can also upload any additional product-related images or videos from here. Choose from a number of languages. Select the aspect ratio of 9:16 or 16:9. The video length can also be changed to around 15, 30, or 60 seconds. At last, you can choose an objective for your video. I'm going to set conversion as my objective, and finally click the generate button. VIRAL will start generating your video samples, so let us fast forward this process. As you can see, our video is ready. The left side shows your video script. The right side shows 3 previews of your video. You can look at them and select the one you prefer. VIRAL also generates a variety of scripts which are available here. Simply select one and click Render Video Preview. As of now, I'll continue with the initial script and the last generated preview. Click the Edit button. You can modify the background music, subtitles, avatars, product images, and videos. I will change the caption position and styling. To add new elements, click the plus symbol. As you can see, the library includes our previously uploaded videos. This allows you to select them quickly. Delete existing elements from here. You can now experiment with this section on your own. So once you're done with the editing, simply click the render button above and click on confirm. VIRAL will start creating your video. So let's skip the generation process, and as you can see, our video is ready. Click here to download it. Here's a preview of it.
Are you tired of wrestling with unwanted facial hair? It's time to unveil your real beauty with our hair identifier spray for face shaving. This remarkable product not only identifies those pesky fine hairs, but also creates a refreshing layer on your skin, ensuring a smooth and cozy shave every time. Imagine achieving that flawless foundation without the hassle of pesky fuzz. Isn't it time to reclaim your confidence?
Let us now create another video using one of the templates given by VIRAL. As you can see, it provides a variety of options. I will go with this one. When you click the Use This Template button, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Here we have to manually edit the product script as well as the videos or images. You can get images of your product from Amazon and videos from TikTok. We'll be using ChatGPT to create a script. I have prepared a prompt to create the script, which will be in the description of this video. Just paste your product link here, and ChatGPT will give you the script. Simply copy a part of the script and paste it into the script section. Click on the Render Audio button. Upload product images or videos in the library section. Once done, select the second scene. Copy and paste a part of the script into the script section, and click Render Audio. In the video section, select a video of your product from the library. This allows you to select them quickly. Repeat the process until your final scene is complete. From here, you can add transitions between scenes. So once you're done with the editing, simply click the render button above, then click on Confirm. Video will start creating your video, so let us skip the generation process and see a preview of the final video.
Hey everyone! I just received this mystery package and I can't wait to see what's inside. Oh wow, it's a pheromone perfume. This isn't just any fragrance, it's specially designed to boost attraction and confidence. Imagine turning heads everywhere you go. I love how portable it is, perfect for on-the-go freshness. Grab yours from the link below.
Now let's talk about how to make money using these AI tools. Well, there are 3 options. Initially, you can earn money by including affiliate links to your videos. Sign up as an Amazon associate and refer to the table. Amazon offers different commission rates for different products. When creating a UGC video, I recommend that you choose either gaming or beauty products. This is why I picked a hair identifier product previously. The second option is to get sponsorship from brands to promote their products on your TikTok or Instagram pages. This method will only become available when you have a large number of followers. Lastly, earn money by creating UGC videos for clients. Use websites such as Fiverr and Upwork. As you can see, a freelancer for a UGC content creator charges between $150 to $500. However, you can charge a reasonable price, as you can do the same with this incredible AI tool. Just make sure to be consistent and be patient when trying to earn money online. See how we created UGC videos using Video AI in minutes. Make sure you try this AI tool from the description of this video, as you guys can earn dollars by using it. If you loved this video, please give it a like and subscribe to AI Upskill channel for more such AI related content in the upcoming days.